Hey, Wolverine, you wanna fight? You want a taste of my claws? Let's do this! Hello, X-Men fans! Let's review about my new toy. It's X-Men Wolverine Jet! Okay, now let's review it. And let's go. Okay, now let's review first about this bottom. You can see the lower parts. What is this? The stands. Two stands, and one stand. And there's the sound effects. There's these sound effects. You can assemble it. Produce that. You want to put down this. You gotta show about the top or bottom. You can open it. Oh, you can open it. And you can see Wolverine. Now let's review Wolverine. Okay, Wolverine is the main character of X-Men. And you can see, you can in or out his arms. You can twist his, you can up and down his head. You can in or out his feet. You can rotate it. Bend his knees. Just bend his feet. And excuse me. He can twist his body like that. Come down. You can twist this. And he can twist his wrist. He can fold his hands, fingers. That is Wolverine. Now, Wolverine is ready. Let's party! Okay, now let's party. Let's review about the sound effects. Okay, now let's review the sound effects. And you can put down the handle. You can see his gum. You can see the sound effects. And when you what's that? When you press it, there, it's a landing. And this. Oh, that's cool. And there's a big explosion. When you press it, that's a big explosion. Okay, now we're ready. Let's go! Yeah! 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 I'm in the game! Yes! Party, party! Goodbye! See you in the next video. Have a nice day in my video. Goodbye.